Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will study salary plus commission calculation. So now we start our study. This sheet you are looking on the screen sheet. Please same sheet you can copy. You can make it this sheet on your Excel sheet, or you can take it's a picture. You can take its picture from your mobile, or you can take the screenshot also. You can take a screen on your keyboard, laptop or desktop keyboard. There is a button named screenshot. You can take a screenshot and paste it on your MS Word or Excel. Anywhere you can paste it. Or now this sheet here. Now first I delete these. Yeah. Now we start our first column is employee name, second column salary, target of sale, then sales, how much sales the salesman has done, then commission percentage, then commission, and calculate the final result. Now its commission formula, we now write the commission of percent formula equal to, it means it is a formula sales if sale greater than the target, or comma, we inverted comma begin, we give 10%, inverted comma close, comma, otherwise we give 5%, comma, and bracket close. And here start from also bracket, and if condition, if you write is better, if, and start bracket start close. It's now it's 10% commission we give, because it is the greater than the sales is target, he is complete his target, and sales is greater than the target, so we give 10%. Or then we drag it and copy it till last, copy it till last. Okay, now here commission, we give commission means here equal to this commission of percent divided by 100 and multiply total sales, what how much he has done, then 2500 commission we give, or 10% of, because here Saad, and for Talha his salary is 2500, target to 20,000, and he completed 12,560 his sales, he has done his sales, so we give, it is less than the target, so we give 5%. So we can now we drag it and copy till last, here till last. And for Yasir his salary 2,500, and his target is to 20,000, same he has completed his sales 21,000, and for because it is greater than the 20,000, so we give commission 10% commission with 2,100 we give here till last year. Now we completed salary plus commission calculation. Next we will meet next lesson. Goodbye. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.